says, Nitya Bada Krishna Haite Nitya Bahirmok Nitya Samsara Bunje Narak Adi Duk. Chaitanya Charitamrita, this is again Sanatana Shiksha, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu teaching. This is Madhya Lila, chapter 22, verse 12. Nitya Bada Krishna Haite Nitya Bahirmuk Nitya Samsara Bunje Narakadi Duk. The Bada, Nitya Bada, that's us. That's us. Eternally conditioned souls. And we're eternally conditioned souls. And Nitya Bahirmuk, and we've eternally turned our faces away from Krishna. Who's looking at Krishna? How many? We're so-called initiated or about to get initiated. How much we look at Krishna? How much we see the face of Krishna? Externally, just looking at the face of Krishna. Or in our mind? Our mind is looking in two directions, inward or outward. So who's looking outward and seeing Krishna? Only the highest caliber of devotees, of Premi Bhaktas. And even then, they only see of Krishna. What they only see once in their life, they have a sporty once or twice. And Vishwanath gives commentary. He says, when he's talking about that, he says the Premi Bhaktas have the potential to see Krishna everywhere, because it's told that pure devotees see Krishna everywhere. The Premi Bhakta sees Krishna everywhere. What does that mean? And in Gita, 6th chapter, verse 30, it says this. Yomam Pashti Sarvacha Sarvam Shaiva Pashti. One who sees me everywhere and sees everything in me, I never lost him, he's never lost me. And say, the pure devotee sees Krishna everywhere. And the devotees in the early days, they would ask A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, well, Prabhupada, you're a pure devotee. Can you see Krishna everywhere? And the devotee said, yes, Prabhupada. Prabhupada said, yes, I'm seeing him.